Welcome back in your online classes. Today we discuss chapter 2, class 11 biology, that is biological classification. Before today, all of you studied number of times classification. During class 9, you will listen to classification. But what is the classification? There is no any clear cut idea. Today we can discuss biological classification. What is the meaning of biological classification? Biological classification means the systemic arrangement of an organism in their particular respective group. Yeah, in class 9 you studied, and in first chapter I also taught you the basis of classification is only similarities and dissimilarities. All the organisms which have show the similar characteristics will grouped under a same category, same rank, same texture. And but when they can differ to each other, they can change the annual group. Now, at the period of Linnaeus, that is period of Linnaeus, all the organisms grouped into two kingdom system. So this particular biological classification is known as two kingdom system nomenclature. Two kingdom system बोले तो one is planting and one is animalia. All the members of plants, either herbs, trees, fungi, bryophytes, halophytes, and all the divisions also included in kingdom planting, and all the animals included in the kingdom animalia. But it is not perfect. In year 1969, when Robert H. Whittaker observed the organism, they will divide all the organism into 5 kingdom systems, and this time we follow the 5 kingdom system given by Whittaker in 1969. Now look, what is the basis of Whittaker to classify the organism into 5 kingdom systems? So we can write here the basis of organized 5 kingdom system by R.H. Whittaker in 1969. Yeah. First, only 3 bases. That is, one is the organism having either prokaryotic cells or eukaryotic first basis prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Those are which having the prokaryotic cells, understood? And the now look at me. Here is an organism. Okay. On the first basis, we divided 2 groups. One having either prokaryotic and another having eukaryotic. Okay. When second basis is the organism are either unicellular or multicellular. types of nutrition. Okay, now all of you use this basis for the classification of organism into 5 previous systems. When Whitaker divided organisms on the basis of, they can find some organism having prokaryotic cells. So this kingdom is known as Monera. Monera. Okay, all the fungi will include here. The kingdom number 1 is Monera. When Whitaker used alternate form eukaryotic, here they can find two groups of eukaryotic organisms. Yeah, one having unicellular, their body is formed by unicellular organisms. So uni are single cell organism, and another is multicellular organism. Here Whitaker also find another kingdom, that is kingdom Protista. Okay, kingdom Protista. Examples, यहाँ एग्जांपल बोला तो बच्चों all the fungi, sorry, all the bacteria, not fungi, all the bacteria included in Monera. Here all the protozoans, listen me again. When Whitaker classified the organism on the basis of their cell structure, either prokaryote or eukaryote, they can find the first kingdom which included all the bacteria having prokaryote, and they name the kingdom is Monera. When they can is eukaryote having a problem, some organism of eukaryote having single cell and another having multi cell. So during they classify single cell, they find all the protistans. And now here third point, mode and types of nutrition. When Whitaker used this third basis of the organization and classification, they can find in multicellular organism some having cell wall. The first cases, the organism which having cell wall included having cell wall, or another is without cell wall. Here under the cell wall, the modern types of nutrition, either all the members of person cell wall can perform their photosynthesis. So on the basis of mode of nutrition, those organisms which have the cell wall also divided into two categories. One is able to perform, do not able to perform photosynthesis, do not perform photosynthesis, and another is perform photosynthesis. When Whitaker classified diagram under having cell wall, they can find there are two types of diagram. One having cell wall but do not perform the photosynthesis. Another having cell wall but can perform the photosynthesis. So here those members which having the cell wall having no perform the photosynthesis include the third kingdom known as fungi. Okay, and those members which having cell wall and perform the photosynthesis include under the next kingdom, that is plantae. Okay, and last one, without cell wall organism included in the kingdom Animalia. Now बच्चों बात करते हैं बायोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन की. There are number of organisms in our universe. Today also a number of organisms extinct and distinct also generate, but having no any idea the names and number of species of the organism. But initial stage of the biology, the members are surprised how we can conclude the names of the organism in a particular group. In initial stage, the period of lineage, only two kingdom system is run, that is Plantae and Animalia. But later on, when this time is processed, that particular opinion is destroyed, and in the year of 1969, Robert H. Whittaker, who concluded the classification of organism in 5 kingdom system. The basis of classification in 5 kingdom system given by Whittaker are only 3. That is, first is the body design of organism are either eukaryotic or prokaryotic, and another is the number of cells is either 1, either 2 or more. So the Whittaker divided 2 kingdom, that is either single cell or multi-cell, so unicellular and multicellular. A third case is the modern types of mutation, means the organism which can obtain their food from by which means either self-made or independent or unaided. So now look at here. If we imagine there is an organism, on the first basis of the classification, we can find the 2 group of organisms. One is prokaryotic cells and the other is eukaryotic. The prokaryotic cells having the kingdom Protista, and all the bacteria included in the kingdom Protista, because all the bacteria having prokaryotic in nature. In case of eukaryote, when we enter eukaryotic cells, we can find 2 types of organisms. Some organism having single cells body and another having multicellular body. So we divided into 2 groups. One is single cell and one is multicellular. Where the Whittaker divided organism in single cell, they can find another kingdom known as Protista, and all the Protistum just like amoeba, paramecium, protozoa, amoeba, paramecium, plasmodium, euglena are included in the kingdom Protista. Here under multicellular organism, the group of multicellular organism, there are 2 types of organisms. Some organisms having cell wall in their body or upper side, but some organisms lack the cell wall, so they concluded 2 groups. One who having cell wall and another without cell wall. Whittaker see during the group of cell wall members also perform 2 functions. Some members of the cell wall puzzle do not perform the photosynthesis, and some members of cell wall puzzle perform the photosynthesis. So they concluded the third kingdom fungi, the members of kingdom fungi do not able to perform the photosynthesis but having cell wall on their body surface, and the members of kingdom Plantae perform the photosynthesis and also having cell wall. So the members which having the cell wall are divided into 2 kingdoms. One is fungi and another is Plantae. And last, those members who having no any cell wall can conclude it in the kingdom Animalia. Just like all the animals, all the lower or higher, not matter. Cattle included in kingdom Animalia. Now, after it, we can discuss especially one by one kingdom. Monarch, kingdom Protista, kingdom Handai, kingdom Planti,